Hi children, good morning. All are fine? Okay. Today we continue the class. Okay. Almost we have completed the fourth chapter, no? Okay. Last one, see the question time in the studio, page number 70. See the first question. A restaurant prepares 97,320 packets of food for an event. So a restaurant prepares 97,320 packets of food for an event. If 45,117 food packets are given for lunch and 37,109 packets are given for dinner, estimate the number of food packets left. Round off to the nearest tens. Okay. So what is given here? Total packets 97,320. For lunch 45,117 food packets are for lunch and 37,100 packets are given for dinner. So estimate the number of food packets left, that is round off to nearest tens. So which operation you have to use here? Which operation? Here what is the asking here? How many number of food packets left? Left means you have to find subtraction. Okay children? Come on, write. Total packets of food equal to 97,320. Okay. Now estimated value. Estimated. See here, estimated round off to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. That is here. 2 right side number is 0. So it is less than 5. So it will be 0 only. So 97,320. Okay. Next. Lunch. Packets of food for lunch. How many? 45,117. So estimated. Round of tens, nearest tens. That is this one. So one right side number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to here. So 45,120. Okay. Next. Packets of food for dinner. 37,109. Now you have to round up the number nearest tens. Estimated. So 0 right side number is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to here. 37,110. Now what you have to find? How many packets left? So first you have to add packets of food for lunch, packets of food for dinner. Okay, this estimation values add. Okay. 45,120 plus 37,110. 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 7, 12, 5 plus 3, 8. So 82,230 will come. Now you have to subtract from total packets. 97,320 minus 82,230. 0. Take one bar over here 12. 12 minus 3. How much? 9. Here 2. 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 2 5. 9 minus 8 5. So 15,090 packets are left. How many packets are left? 15,090 packets. Okay. Come on, write. So where you have to write is that you have to write in the CW. CW book is there now, you have to write there. Okay. See the second question. An ice cream factory produces 81,533 ice creams in a day. If 20,678 ice creams are mango flavored, 34,910 are strawberry flavored, 6,758 are orange flavored, and the remaining are grape flavored. Estimate the number of groups flavored ice creams, grape flavored ice creams, round up to the nearest hundreds. Here total ice creams are given here. In that total ice creams, mango flavored ice creams are there, strawberry flavored ice creams are given, and orange flavored ice creams are given, and the remaining are grape flavored. What are the grape flavored ice creams remaining? You have to find it. Which one? Actual value or estimate value? You have to find the estimate value. Okay children? So round up to the nearest hundred given in here. So total ice creams. How many are the total ice creams? 81,533. Now you have to find the estimated value. Estimated equal to round up to the nearest hundred. So hundreds place is 5. Right side of 5 is 3. 3 is less than 5. Less than 5 means you have to put the zeros here. So 81,500. Okay. Next, mango flower. Mango flavored ice creams. How many are there? 20,678 estimated. Nearest hundreds. So hundreds place is 6. 6 right side number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 here and the remaining numbers you have to put 0. So 20,700. Okay. Next, strawberry flower. Strawberry flavored ice creams. How many are there? 34,910. Now estimated. Nearest hundreds. Hundreds place is 9. Right side number is 1. Right side number is 1 means it is less than 5. So you have to put 2 zeros here. 34,900. And next, orange flower. Orange flavored ice creams. How many? 6,758 estimated. So hundreds place is 7. 7 right side number is 5. It is equal to 5. So you have to add 1 to here. 6,800. Okay. Now you have to find the remaining of grape flavored. So remaining of grape flavored means you have to add first mango flavored ice creams, strawberry flavored ice creams, and orange flavored ice creams. Total will get. Then you have to subtract from total ice creams. Okay. So what are the estimated mango flavored ice creams? 20,700. Strawberry flavored ice creams estimated 34,900. Next, orange flavored 6,800. Total is what? 0, 0, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 62,400 total. Mango flavored, strawberry flavored, orange flavored. Now what you have to find? These total will subtract from total ice creams. So 81,500 minus 62,400. 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. Take one bar on here. 11 minus 2, how much? 9. Here 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So how many grape flavored ice cream? 90,100. Okay, children? Go on, right. The next two questions are there. We'll continue on tomorrow, children. You have to prepare these two questions. Okay, children? Goodbye.